sure you all know, building regulations can be a pain, but a necessary one. For heating oil, building control can be a clumsy, time-consuming and expensive process, often demanding strict measurements such as needing a minimum of 1.8 metres away from any structure, and strict regulations can be a hassle for both installers and homeowners. Luckily, our FirePro heating oil tanks simplify the issues considerably. The FirePro is a bunded tank that only requires a 300mm border, not 1.8 metres, and no need for ugly fireboards. Fireboards are fire protective compound boards that the installer must bolt to the wall of your property to protect it from fire, and oh my, are they ugly. By the way, bunded means it's effectively a tank inside a tank. This gives you added security and allows for worst case scenarios such as overfills. With those strict building control regulations, I'm sure you're all thinking the installation is the tricky part. Absolutely not. We have partnered with Approved Inspectors JHAI and developed a simple 4-step process that JHAI can self-certify, often remotely. We've created a simple compliance process that eliminates the need for constantly jumping through building control hoops while keeping insurance and local authorities informed and happy. Oh, and the price is lower than almost all local authorities. How easy is it? Step 1. You complete the JHAI form and you send it to them directly. Step 2. Provide any additional images or information as required. Step 3. Wait for the certification direct from JHAI. Step 4. Once that's arrived, you're good. That's it, in 4 simple steps. So does the installer need to do all this? Nope. The end user can follow the 4 steps from the comfort of their own home. This simplifies the installation process and reduces the installation fees. When you ask for a quotation for a FirePro, we'll automatically send you the forms and a simple to follow process. We'll even send you gentle reminders as your tank is in production. You deal directly with JHAI. This isn't a service that Tuffa sells. We want to offer our customers the most uncomplicated and cost-effective products and services. So that's it from me today. Thanks for watching. Remember, we have other webinars, guides and articles on our website, and you can contact our friendly sales team for more information and advice.